Hello my wonderful people, you are welcome to my channel, the Unique Grace channel. Today I'm going to be cooking Nigerian tomato stew. I already have my ingredients prepared. This is my chopped fresh tomato paste, vegetable oil, you can use any oil of your choice. These are green and red bell peppers already chopped. I have the meat over there, cow leg and turkey, already washed and clean. I have onion, as you can see over there, that is garlic. This is thyme, crayfish, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, and this is meat seasoning. It also serves as all-purpose seasoning. This is ginger powder, and this is pepper. It's hot pepper, and these are the seasoning cubes. And this is the fish. I will go ahead and start cooking the meat already. So now I'm done adding the necessary ingredients to the meat. I'll go ahead and place it on the fire and start cooking. I'll just give it a quick stir. Over here, I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes for it to dry off a little bit. If you want, you can start frying it immediately. But for me, I like to dry off the water in order to ease the frying. Okay, it's your choice. Anyhow you want to do it, all right? Welcome back, guys. The meat is still cooking while the tomato is ready, so I'll go ahead and start frying the stew already. Okay, as you see the turkey over there, I'll also be frying it. As you can see, the onions, they're looking so pale. That is when you are going to add your tomatoes. Okay, you have to fry the onions very well. So I'm going to add my, as you can see over there, this is how the tomato is now looking, the chopped tomato. That way you are not going to be frying the tomato too long. This is the tomato paste. I'm going to be adding some, not all of it. And when you have you buy tin tomato, so for it to not to, for the tomato not to have some mucus, you have to add vegetable oil and take it around the tomato. That way it's going to last and it will not spoil. Okay. The meat is ready. It's soft and tender now, so everything is ready. Welcome back. As you can see over there, the tomato is already set, is fried. So the tomato is fried, the stew is fried. I've been frying it not too long. You can fry your tomato as long as you want it. So now I'll go ahead and add all the necessary ingredients, all the ingredients for this stew. I'll add the meat, the fish, everything together because the stew is fried and it's ready. Okay. So now I'll go ahead and add the turkey and the fish, which they are the last thing I'm going to add. So after that, I will cook the stew. I will cook it for like 10 to 15 minutes to allow the fish and everything to cook well. And yes, everything, the stew is ready. Our ogbonge tomato stew is ready. Okay, thank you, my wonderful viewers, for watching. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. All right, thank you so much. And that is it over there. You can eat it with yam, spaghetti, rice, anything you feel you can eat it with. Okay, you are free to eat it with anything. Please don't forget to subscribe. Look at our ogbonge stew. Can you see how sumptuous and delicious our stew is looking? Okay, thank you for watching, and bye.